Okay, so I have been slowly but surely changing things about the house. Mostly what I've done has been just demolition. But I removed this rug from this room. This wall is being moved, and I'm gonna start with a small project because I'm kind of stumped on how to change the overall structure right now, and I don't want to do anything too impulsive, so I'm gonna change up this set. I went to a sale where someone was selling all of her grandmother's miniatures. She had the most beautiful collection, and I was able to get quite a lot of things from this sale. And you know, my style is definitely different from the grandmother, but I'm going to really love and respect her items, and they're gonna make great additions to my house. So this set is going to get a makeover, but it'll maintain its integrity and it's still gonna be beautiful. So I'm going to attempt to reupholster it with this vintage velvet ribbon. So wish me luck. So I apologize because I was not planning on making a full tutorial with this, but I'll explain what I did. So I took tracing paper and I was trying to trace onto it, but then I decided it was actually easier sometimes to remove the fabric from the piece. Sometimes it wasn't as easy, but if you're careful, you can kind of get it done. So then I glued directly onto the small pieces, no big deal, and then I trimmed the edges. But when it came to the larger pieces, especially since I wanted to make sure that I was lining up and kind of designing where the seams would be, because obviously this ribbon is not thick enough or wide enough to cover the whole thing, I had to kind of plan out where I wanted seams to be. That chair didn't come out so great because I tried to sew it in and it didn't work out. The next one came out so much nicer. So what I did for these larger areas was I removed the piece from the chair and I traced it onto tracing paper completely. And then I mapped out where I wanted the ribbon to go because you can see those lines. So I mapped it out, glued it directly to the tracing paper. And then on the opposite side of the tracing paper, you can still see the line that I wrote or that I drew. So it was really easy to cut that out. And because it's velvet fabric, it looks really nice on the edges. You kind of just like tuck in the edges into the glue and it looks really nice. I think it looks really nice. So that's all I did. It was really simple and I loved the idea of using this vintage ribbon for that small velvet texture. That's all for this time. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.